All right, let's do something we like to call social media check-in. Yo, Vanessa, what do you got?
All right. Laverne Parker on Facebook. If you have received your interview dates and because of the virus it was canceled and your medical is expired, do you have to do another medical?
No, it should be okay.
Katrina Carter D. Simone on YouTube. If I'm married and I've been here 3 years filing for my citizenship a few days before the 3 years, should I be worried if I filed a few days before the 3 years?
No, because you're allowed to file 90 days before the 3-year mark of you having a conditional or permanent green card or some combination of the two, as long as you're in a bona fide marriage with a U.S. citizen.
Fiona Campbell on Facebook. I filed for my son and he's over 23. He has his visa appointment date, but cannot do his medical. Do you think he'll receive another date?
Well, go for the visa appointment and they'll ask him to bring in the medical after.
Jacobson Francis on Facebook. I'm about to file for my removal of condition, but my wife owes taxes. So we are thinking of filing separate but married in order to get some return. Will that affect us?
Yes, because you're supposed to have a joint tax return. Why? Because you're supposed to have a joint economic relationship. So if you're filing married, filing separately, it can cause problems in the sense that immigration may not believe it's a real marriage.
Hema Carmen on Facebook. I am over 26 years old and pay my taxes every year. Can I get my green card?
Not because you're over 26 and pay your taxes. There's no law that says I'm over 26 and pay taxes, I get a green card. That's not how life works here. But maybe there's other options for you, but that would not be the option. Two more.
Angie Wilson on Facebook. How does a U.S. citizen or permanent resident adopt a child from Jamaica? What do they need to do? Would they adopt or start the process of adoption in Jamaica?
No, do not start the process of adopting in Jamaica unless you lived in the same household with that child for 2 years. You'll never get the child here. There's two ways to do it. You can bring the child, go to Jamaica, do an adoption in Jamaica. Then you got to wait 2 years from the time of adoption because you have to show legal guardianship and you have to be able to prove that you and the child lived in the same household for 2 years, and all this has to happen before the child's 16. Or the better way to do it, but it's only for certain children, you can't do it for all children, would be orphan children, meaning no mother, no father, or mother and father abandoned, mother and father died, mother and father can't afford the children anymore, and then bring the child up as an orphan and do everything up here. And we can assist you through that process as well.
Ali Boyame or Bamaye on Facebook. If you are an alien present in the United States who is married, who has not been admitted or paroled, can you file for a resident permit?
You have not been admitted or paroled? No, unless you're 245I, or unless you're married to someone in the military and you can do a parole. Otherwise, you would need to do a provisional waiver, go home and come back. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.